In a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Raj. He was known for his mischievous nature and often found himself in trouble. Raj's family, especially his grandfather, Ramu, was concerned about his behavior. Ramu had always believed that respect was earned through actions, not words. One day, as Raj was playing near the village temple, he noticed an elderly woman struggling to carry a heavy basket of firewood. Without a second thought, Raj rushed over and offered to help her. The woman, named Maya, was surprised by this act of kindness from the boy who was notorious for his pranks. Together they carried the firewood to Maya's humble home. Word of Raj's good deed spread through the village like wildfire. People started to see him in a new light. His classmates, who once mocked him, now treated him with respect. Raj realized that earning respect was not about seeking attention, but about making a difference in the lives of others. Inspired by his newfound purpose, Raj began helping others in the village. He assisted farmers in the fields, cleaned the village pond, and even spent time with the elderly, listening to their stories. Each act of kindness earned him more respect and admiration from the villagers. One day, as Raj was helping an injured bird, he caught the attention of the village elder, Mr. Varma. Impressed by the boy's selflessness, Mr. Varma invited Raj to join the village council, where important decisions were made. Raj accepted the offer with humility and worked tirelessly to improve the village's infrastructure and welfare programs. Over the years, Raj's dedication and determination transformed the village. Roads were repaired, a school was built, and clean drinking water became accessible to all. Raj had truly earned the respect of the entire community. As Raj grew older, he remembered the valuable lesson his grandfather had taught him about earning respect through actions. He knew that respect was not given, it was something he had to work for every day of his life. Raj's journey from a mischievous boy to a respected leader showed the village that anyone, regardless of their past, could earn respect through kindness, compassion, and a genuine desire to make a difference in the lives of others.